meteorologist Brandon Lawson is joining me now. And Brandon, first day of spring tomorrow. Will there actually be spring-like weather, perhaps?
Oh, you know, we are going to actually bring in spring on a warmer and drier trend for sure. We'll talk about that a little bit more in the 10-day forecast. But for now, let's talk about the current conditions. I know many folks are probably trying to get outdoors for lunch. Maybe it's Friday for most of you guys, so you want to go outside, maybe take advantage of the nice weather that we're starting to see from our Beckley weather camera. You can actually see a few breaks in the clouds out there from southern West Virginia. I told y'all we'd see a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, but my friends in Tazewell County, oh, you guys are probably a little upset. We're still dealing with the clouds there, but luckily I'm starting to see these clouds lift a little bit. Tazewell County, you might start to see a little bit more sunshine as we go later into the afternoon. Now, we are all seeing that precipitation really roll out. It's actually way to our east now. That low pressure system lingered over our area this morning. So we're starting to really see some drying conditions as we go throughout at least the rest of the afternoon. We are still seeing a few rain and even snow showers towards portions of Bland County, Tazewell County. Some of those higher elevations are still seeing a little bit of precipitation, but again, we're going to start seeing that precipitation really dwindle down as drier air continues to take over the two Virginias. Temperatures for most, mainly in the upper 30s, low to mid 40s. You're at 41 in Welch. Good afternoon to you folks in McDowell County, 46 in Pineville. Bluefield, West Virginia, though, still sitting at 38 degrees. Burt's Garden, Tazewell County, still plenty of clouds there, 35 degrees. And then you look at Hinton, Union, even Pembroke, some spots trying to push 50 degrees already this afternoon. But again, we're all much colder than what we were at this time yesterday, about 10 to 15 degrees colder. And that's because we have this strong northerly flow that continues to filter into our viewing area, helping that colder air really surge into the region. And we're not alone, folks. Look at the Midwest, even the Mid-Atlantic here, all dealing with 30s and 40s as we head throughout the early afternoon hours. So we're going to continue to be pretty breezy as we go throughout the afternoon. We're talking about gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour, strong northerly flow, and that breezy condition will continue as we go into the day tomorrow for the first day of spring. But notice, we start to see those arrows change direction. We're talking more southeasterly flow tomorrow, which will help us warm up a little bit more. Today, though, again, most spots kind of trapped in the 40s. A few spots could get to the 50s. It just depends on how much sunshine we see, but it will be breezy and cooler for most. So spring does begin tomorrow. Hannah Howard, the most hyped person in our newsroom over this, she just won't stop talking about how spring's coming in, but I know many of you folks are probably excited for it to come in because I know I'm tired of the snow. I'm ready for it to warm up. It begins tomorrow at 5:37 in the morning. I know Hannah Howard probably has an alarm set for 5:37 to get up and celebrate as spring comes in. We've got drier air, though, coming in for spring. We're going to be drier at least for the first 3 days of it, and we're going to see a warming trend. Temperatures getting close to 60 by mid next week. Again, drying conditions as we go into the afternoon, upper 40s, low 50s. Again, though, it's going to kind of deal with those clouds at least throughout the rest of the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine for the first full weekend of spring. We keep that sunshine into Monday. A few more clouds and maybe even some precipitation through mid next week. That's your forecast. Hannah Howard.
Thank you, Brandon. He's not wrong. I think I am the most excited about spring. But if you've put